Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing great and full of positive energy. We were caught completely off guard when the announcement dropped out of nowhere. There would be cosplay events happening soon, and not just soon. The very first one was only 4 days away. With barely any time to spare and just 3 days to prepare, the pressure was on. But instead of panicking, we jumped into action. We polished, repaired, and redesigned our costumes with everything we had. Every stitch, every detail, retouched and perfected in record time. And in the end, our determination paid off. Our characters came to life better than ever. And now here we are, standing at the venue, costumes on, hearts racing, ready to submit our entry for the cosplay competition. Whether we win a place or not, we're here to give our all on stage, to perform, to express, and to celebrate everything we love about this amazing art. The atmosphere was electric. Cosplayers everywhere, vibrant lights, creative costumes, and that magical feeling you only get when you're surrounded by people who love the same things you do. It was the kind of night where every corner had something exciting to see. Every moment felt alive, and every interaction brought a smile. So come along as I take you through this unexpected adventure. A night full of creativity, laughter, and pure fandom energy. Get ready for behind-the-scenes moments, amazing characters, and stories that made this unplanned cosplay event one to remember. So come join us. Let's make this evening unforgettable as we gather with fellow fans, creators, and dreamers. Step into a world of imagination, passion, and creativity as cosplay right here in Oman. Let the adventure begin.
Different categories. We've got video game as Ghost of Tsushima. We've got anime as Urza. We've got also Monster Hunter as a video game. We're having so many different cosplayers. تعبوا بشكل كبير على هذا الكوسبلاي، فإن شاء الله راح يعرضون لكم إياهم بأحسن ما يكون. راح تستمتعوا، تصوير جميل. سوينا تاج، سوينا هاشتاج على Oman Cosplay 968 Games or Effect. This event is sponsored by 968 Games and powered by Effect. And today we're going to power you all. Our first cosplayer today was going to be Jin Sakai as Ghost from the video game Ghost of Tsushima. Have a big clap of cool, جماعة. Our second cosplay is going to be Alistair from Hasbin Hotel. Have a big clap, guys.
Dance with me. Let's go. Stop.
In our beautiful competition in cosplay today, Ezra Scarlett from Fairy Tail. She's struggling to go up, but she's gorgeous and beautiful. Big clap, guys, of Kula! And the third one is going to be Himino from Chainsaw Man.
Just breathe.
Our competition is going to be Kilwa from Mosa from Hunter x Hunter. And we've got Ichiban from Yakuza. صفقوا يا جماعة.
Hold my hand. Your name.
And we've got Red War Spider-Man. Let's go.
Talk to me.
Got our best game ever, the easiest of them all, Dark Souls 3 as Knight.
Dance with me.
And we got our lovely competition today as well, the cosplayer Ash from Overwatch. What? Have a big clap, guys, of Kula. And for the big guy from the world of Monster Hunter, we've got the hunter Zora Mangadros.
Dance with me. Dance with me. Let's go.
Zora Ghost of Call of Duty مع الفضائيين. Let's go. All your memories have vanished. Bye bye. Johnny, Fox, and James are on the stage to light it up. Let's go. Have a big clap for them, guys. Support. It's well known, Habibi. You are the humility. And Jaeger from Attack of Titan. Attack of Titan fans, guys. Come on, let me hear it out. Attack on Titan! You hear it, Jaeger. Hit the guy. Hit the guy. We've got Sniper Mask from High Rise Invasion. Let's go. Support يا جماعة. وقت وجهد ونوم راح على بين الكوسبلاير. Janail Alim as Assassin's Creed Shadows! Assassin's Creed fans! Let's go! صفقوا يا جماعة! And our lovely cosplayers from Dickens, June Kazama! She's been dead in Dickens 2, but now she's back in Dickens 8. We've got the Master Samurai, King of Revenge, Faisal Al-Azmi, as Ronin Samurai from Ghost of Tsushima. Oh, we've got Kino. With us, Zora Magdaros, Julius Celestial, and from Monster Hunter. صفقة كبيرة يا جماعة. Zora Magdaros from Monster Hunter.
Hunters have been tasked with keeping our ecosystem in balance, facing those that disrupt nature by growing too numerous or too powerful.
Next, we've got the Public Safety Hunter, Francis as Hymenor from Chainsaw Man. And he needs me for some reason. Let's see. Tail. Let's go. Woo!
How long? I simply can't help but ask myself, how long must I continue to fight the unending wrongs in this world?
Ahmed as a class knight from Dark Souls 3. Knight. You're almost dead, but before that, which flavor would you like to choose? Purple? I think you would choose coconut? I don't know. Coconut. Yeah, I know his drink because I took it. Coconut flavor, coconut. Let's go. Start. Ready. Now we've got the Radio Demon, Mahdiar as Alastair from Hasbin Hotel. Stage is all yours. Ready.
Dearly beloved, for your entertainment, it's my pleasure to introduce to
صفقة
you
قوية يا شباب.
arrival, the equal opportunity killer, Alistair.
Hello, it's nice to meet you. Can you tell me where I am?
What's your cosplay? His cosplay is 6'7". Yes, You know how many flavors are there? 6, 7. Going to have 150 riyal. The second place going to be 100 riyal. Third place going to be 50 riyal. So who you think is the winner?
Welcome everyone. Hope you're all having a good time. Thanks to your pack for all the drinks. Closer? Can everyone hear me? Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're all having a good time at Muscat. I'm truly grateful for the opportunity. Thank you to the Oman Cosplay team. Thank you to FX team. Thank you to 968 Games for having us. And I hope you all have a good time. I would like to congratulate all the cosplayers for all their effort.
Big clap everybody! Subkulo!
Big clap for everyone of them. It's not an easy job. It's not easy to come on stage. It's not easy to perform in front of everyone. But these guys did a phenomenal job. So, in our eyes, everyone's a winner. But obviously, we have to choose only 3. So, are we all ready for the answers? Woohoo! Yeah! Okay. We'll start with number 3. Third place winner.
Third place winner was going to win 50 riyal.
Woohoo! Any guesses, guys?
Who do you think is the winner?
I need some excitement.
Who do you think is the winner?
Who do you
This
think is
guy?
the winner? Who do you
This
think?
guy? This guy? This guy? This guy? Me? I love you. This guy? This guy? Did I skip you? Okay. This guy? This guy? This guy? This lady? Let's hear our third place winner from Naila Ali.
Okay, so the third place winner, drum roll please.
I'm out of breath. As Alistair presenting guava flavor from FX. He's the winner for the third place of 50 riyal. For guava.
That was number 3.
That was number 3, yeah. Now we are representing number and
2.
announcing number 2.
Number 2nd.
This guy. This guy. خلاص. This guy. This guy. This guy. This guy. This guy. This lady. Announcing the third winner.
For the 2nd place, this person did a good job of it. And I think everyone did like this person.
I think everybody didn't like this show. I didn't like it. I didn't like it.
I'm liking it.
I didn't like it.
So for the 2nd place, we have
Bring it closer.
Janine and Ezra.
The second winner for the cosplay competition of 100 riyals. Wait. Which flavor you are representing?
Yes, my daughter.
Coconut blueberry.
For the first place, it was a very tough decision for both us judges. Who to give, who should win. We don't want to make anyone feel bad about their performance because you all did a phenomenal job. But only one of you
Only one.
made it a complete A to Z. Got the highest scores out of all of them. Any guesses, guys?
Who's winning the first place of the competition, of the cosplay competition? This guy? This guy? This guy? خلاص. This guy? 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 خلاص 100 riyals, خلاص, no more. Announcing the winner of the first place for the cosplay competition, evaluated by our former judge after the break, Mariam Najali, and our lovely judge Naila Alim. The first place is...
The first place, as I said, was quite tough for us to choose. But going through all the steps, going through all the markings, we came to a decision. And the first place goes to...
Nilisan halakan ng paibig para sa inyo. Ang paibig, mga kanin sa isyon. Ay si Kaya.